Hey everybody, Pandy here of Pandy's Hair Candy and More. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome and thank you so much for taking a moment to stop by. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back through. You already know what it is. We're about to chop it up real quick. You guys, I am jumping on just to do a quick wig review. Give my commentary and my opinion on this cute little wig that I got for $15. Trying to think where I got this from. Hair to Beauty. It is from the It's a Wig line. Um, I am a newly transitioned naturalista. Now I've been natural for going on 8 years now, but I never big chopped. I just gradually trimmed the relaxer out of my hair and stopped getting relaxers. I treat my hair, I deep condition my hair, I do protein treatments, and I've been gradually transitioning. My hair is fully 100% natural. However, I do a lot of protective styling, which is why I like to wear the wigs. Now, when I saw this for $15, finally a natural looking hairstyle, and if you go back and look at some of my videos, it's about the same length and fullness as my natural afro when I wear it out in a twist out or a wash and go style. So I said, "Ooh, let me grab that up for those days when I'm just not feeling like doing all that." I am a full-time working professional, so if I can throw on a wig and hop my behind on out the door in the morning and just be easy breezy, I'm all for it. So without further ado, you guys, I'm gonna get into this wig. It's in the outre package, but it's not an outre wig. I had took it out, and I think matter of fact, I didn't toss it. This was the original package. So the name of the wig is Coily Girl. Um, I got it in the color 1B, and this is the stock card. And it's not much to it. It's a full cap wig. There is no parting space. It comes in a variety of colors. Like I said, I got it in the color 1B, which is a natural off black color. Of course, it says it's heat iron safe 350 to 400 degrees, but why would you put heat on this type of style? So without further ado, y'all, I got my head all wrapped up because I got cornrows going all back in my hair. So I am going to step off the camera for a quick second, go put this puppy on and see what she's giving, and I'll be right back with my final thoughts. Okay, guys, I'm back. And this is glasses on so I can see y'all. I really do wear glasses. um, this is Coily Girl. Now, I think I would need to do some tweezing up in here. Let me give y'all my final thoughts. Eh, it's all right for $15. I ain't mad. It's not human hair. It's going to take some shaping. The cap construction, I forgot to show you guys that. It is not a standard cap construction because there is no combs in this wig whatsoever. Although I don't really use the combs up here because, that's kind of like too much stress and tension on your edges. I'm used to a comb being in the back. However, I have all of my cornrows braided straight back, and I usually just tuck I'll braid all my cornrows straight across, and I'll tuck my comb under there. But I mean, it's pretty secure. I don't have my wig grip headband on or a stocking cap. I just literally put it on over top of y'all see my gray braids? I put it on over top of my braid. So anyway, this is her. I think it's cute. I would probably go in there and put a little bit of my natural baby hairs, just kind of swoop down a little something, something. Being that there's no part in this. Now, most people that wear a natural style like this usually don't wear a part. I also did kind of go in with my pick and just kind of lift it up a little bit. But this is what she given. That's that side, and that's that side. Ooh, I almost knocked my ring light over. And that's the back. I can't really see the back, but I'm assuming I would need to go in there and finger fluff that out, being that I just took it out of the pack. But yeah, guys, that's it. A very quick show and tell. It is big head friendly. It's very comfortable. I could see this being a quick throw and go. Just to go run to the store or something. I don't know if I would really wear it to work, just for the simple fact that there's no part in there unless I kind of styled it with some bangs or something. Take my glasses off because that glare. But for $15, y'all, is it a yay? I say yeah. Is it my favorite wig? No, it's not my favorite wig, but will I rock it? Especially for the affordability? Absolutely. Um, yeah. So again, this is the stock card, guys, and it is from the It's a Wig line. It's Coily Girl, and I got it in the color 1B, which is an off black or natural black. And it kind of closely mimics my hair fullness and length when I wear my natural hair out, minus the grays. And for 15 bucks, I'm not mad. I have been trying to get a little natural kinky curly wig, and every time I look, I can't never find it in 1B. And I know one is just entirely too jet black for me. Um, and then also I have been noticing the prices on these type of wigs were like $30, $40 range. So I said I'm gonna just keep checking until they go down. And that's what I did. So this is another one to add to the collection. I will probably also trim this in just to give it more of a shape. I believe they call it a diva cut, where it's more full up in the top and more heart shaped in the back, more tapered in on the sides and back. And then if I could just figure out a way to manipulate making that hairline area look a little more realistic. Now the thing is, with these type of styles and hair textures, the more messier and funkier the style, the more realistic and the more creative it actually looks. So I'm sure I could play with it and make it do what it do. So yeah, just wanted to quickly share that with you guys. I am Pandy of Pandy's Hair Candy and more. Over here we talk about hair, both natural hair and artificial hair in the forms of wigs and weaves. We talk a little bit about health, a little bit about wellness, do a little bit of dibbling and dabbling in makeup, and I love to give my reviews on my favorite TV shows. So again, if this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much. Please don't forget to hit that like button and please hit the subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. It is free 99. If you are a returning subscriber, you already know what it is. Drop down in the comments and let me know what your thoughts are on this unit. Is she a yay or a nay? Until next time, I'll talk with y'all later. Y'all be safe if you're in the eye of this storm. It's coming my way. We are praying that we don't get the body of it. Um, I'm in the southeast part of South Carolina, so Lord willing, it's just a lot of wind and rain. Hopefully our power don't go out, but if need be, we will get out of harm's way. So right now we're just watching closely. So y'all um, keep me encouraged and lifted. All right. Until next time, I will talk with you all later. Bye.